In this quick video, we're going to be looking up here, Macabacus section of the ribbon, under Model and into Paste. We're going to be looking at the Paste Exact and what it can be used for and how it might save you a ton of time. Let's jump into it. So let's first investigate what we would do without this shortcut. If we wanted to paste exactly what was in this cell without Macabacus, how would we do it? Take a look in the cell first. It's attached to the references F14 and F17. We could copy it and do a regular paste over here just to get all the formats in place. But then we'd actually need to go back, go inside the cell, copy all of this text, and then go back and paste it in here. What we've done now is we've ensured that what is inside this cell is exactly identical to what's inside this cell. Let's look at how Macabacus can do it. First, let's just do a quick fill down to remove what's in this cell. With Macabacus, we go to the original cell, do a copy, Control C, and then we go up here, and the shortcut for a paste exact is Control Alt E. We just hit that and it's done. Let's take a peek just to check, and you can see that this cell over here is referencing exactly what this cell was referencing. One thing to remember with these shortcuts right up in the model section under paste is that there is a whole family of them, and the shortcuts are similar. This one, Control Alt E. This one, Control Alt F. So they all begin with Control Alt and then they have a letter after them. What's great about Macabacus again, these are easy to remember because we have an E for exact, for example. One thing to remember is that with these shortcuts, we definitely don't expect everybody to use all of these shortcuts, but take a look through them. There may be some real gems in here that can save you a ton of time. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.